Welcome. We're diving into the big debate, SEO versus Google Ads. It's about organic growth versus paid promotion. Which one is better for your business? Let's find out in this video. What is SEO? Search engine optimization is about achieving organic ranking and getting free traffic from Google. It builds brand authority and offers long-term results. Rank once and save your position. Google Ads is pay-per-click advertising. It gives you instant visibility and traffic immediately after setting up the campaign. You only pay for clicks and can reach a highly targeted audience at the right time. The advantages of SEO include long-term results, leading to traffic for years. It builds brand trust, as people rely more on organic results, giving you 3 times more trust. You also get free visitors with 0 cost per click. Google Ads offers instant leads and fast traffic, reaching lakhs in minutes. It gives you quick sales and lets you control your budget while tracking your ROI. Here is a comparison. SEO is free but slow, taking 3 to 6 months for long-term results. It builds high trust but offers limited control. Google Ads is paid but instant, delivering short-term results with medium trust and full control. Who should choose which? Choose SEO if you need a long-term business strategy, brand authority, have a limited budget, and focus on organic growth. Choose Google Ads for instant leads, product launches if you have a budget, and target quick sales. The best strategy combines both. SEO plus ads is the double growth formula. It leverages the strengths of both, maximizing your visibility, trust, and results, as shown in this growth chart. At Global Digitaz, we offer SEO for organic ranking guarantee, Google Ads for targeted campaigns and fast leads, dedicated lead generation for your business, and complete digital marketing strategies for business growth. It's time to grow your business online with our SEO plus Google Ads double growth strategy. Contact Global Digitaz today. Visit our website or reach out via phone to get started.